Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up Payhip affiliate program. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, and your account with all the information, and the store essentials in the very middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up a Payhip affiliate program. So click on marketing on the top side of the screen. So you have the screen here and click on marketing. Then click on affiliate. So it is, as you can see, we have coupons, run sale, and affiliates. Click on there. Then click on the create affiliate sign up link to get your unique affiliate sign up link. So click there. Or you can go and click on sign up affiliate with this link here. And you will be, of course, sent to the screen. Sorry, just a moment. Affiliates. Then, as you can see, you need to go and, of course, sign up everything to that. And you'll have your, of course, affiliate link and everything. You can set up it. You can, of course, then you need to go just and approve it. So this is basically your affiliate link. So it is basically the link to your profile, which is, of course, immediately generated. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.